Hey beauty lovers! Welcome back to the Abound Wellness and Beauty channel. Today, we're testing a highly recommended makeup brush cleaner to see if it truly lives up to the hype. Can it quickly remove built-up makeup, dirt, and bacteria from your brushes? Stay tuned to find out and don't miss my final verdict. Dirty brushes aren't just gross, they're harmful. Clogged bristles breed bacteria that cause breakouts, rashes, and even skin infections. Plus, dirty brushes make makeup applications streaky and uneven. Keeping brushes clean with an effective makeup brush cleaner ensures smoother, flawless makeup and protects your skin from irritation. This automatic makeup brush cleaner promises fast, deep cleaning. Here's how. 1. Deep cleansing formula. Breaks down oil, foundation, and stubborn product buildup. 2. Quick dry technology. Wash and dry in seconds. Perfect for busy routines. 3. Gentle on bristles. Protects synthetic and natural fibers from damage. I tested this electric makeup brush cleaner with my dirtiest brushes. Here's what I found. 1. Ease of use. Just dip, swirl, and rinse. No scrubbing needed. 2. Fast results. Brushes looked brand new in under 30 seconds. 3. Soft bristles. Gentle formula left my brushes soft and fluffy. According to Dr. Jane Smith, dermatologist, regularly using a high-quality makeup brush cleaner reduces acne-causing bacteria and prevents skin irritation. Pro tip: clean foundation brushes weekly and eyeshadow brushes every 2-3 uses to maintain flawless makeup application. So, is this the best makeup brush cleaner on the market? Absolutely! It's quick, effective, and protects your brushes. The quick dry feature is a game changer, and my makeup has never looked better. Check out the makeup brush cleaner I used. Link is in the description. If you found this review helpful, hit that like button, subscribe for more beauty product reviews, and tap the notification bell for updates. What's your favorite makeup brush cleaner? Let me know in the comments below.